In this video, we're going to show you how to install the throttle position sensor on your Ford Mustang, located on the top side of your engine. The throttle position sensor is located on the back side of your throttle body right over here and is held in place. Yours will probably have Phillips head screws there. Our particular model has 8mm bolts. It's been replaced before where someone's been in here, and there's the electrical connector. So let's go ahead and disconnect the connector first. There's a little spring tab on the back. We're going to pinch that and pull that connector off. With that connector off, go ahead, loosen and remove your 2 Phillips head screws. Now, in order to get in there with your Phillips head screwdriver, you're going to need one of the little stubby Phillips head screwdrivers to get in there. Now, when we remove the upper screw, you notice I removed the lower one first. When we remove the upper one, I'm keeping my finger on there, but it's naturally going to want to spring upward. Watch. It just kind of pops up. It's spring loaded. That is the throttle position sensor inside kicking that up, okay? Go ahead and lift this up and pull that out. Now, on the back side of your throttle position sensor are these 2 little tabs. So this is the part that is spring loaded inside that works as your throttle position sensor and sends signal to the computer. Now, when installing the throttle position sensor, you want to install it a little bit facing upward. And as you rotate it down, you're going to feel a little spring tension. You're going to push it down just a little bit, hold the sensor in position. And we're going to install our upper bolt. In your case, it'll be your upper screw. By getting the upper one started first, that's going to hold the throttle position sensor in position there, and then go ahead and get that lower one started. Now I'm going to spin these in as far as I can by hand. Now, when tightening down your screws, they don't have to be super tight. Once that screw bottoms out, just give it a little bit more. It just needs to be in there pretty snug. So there it is right there, just bottomed out, just a hair bit more. I'm going to do the same for the upper. There it is right there, just a hair bit more. Now I want to connect our connector back in place. And align that up. Now you're going to feel it and hear it snap into place. There it is. Now at this point here, go ahead and reconnect your battery. If you have any check engine lights on the dash, you want to go ahead and clear those codes. At that point there, you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.